Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In this one, we'll be implementing a cart model with Recoil. So the goal of this lecture is to enhance the shopping cart UI by introducing a model, and we'll be making use of Recoil to manage the model state, that is opening and closing of the model, and we'll ensure that Cart.js is correctly integrated inside our cart model that we'll be creating, and we'll ensure that the implementation is incremental in nature. So we will be improving upon the existing functionality. To start, the first thing that we will be doing is creating this cart model atom. So here you can see that we have imported atom from Recoil, and then we have created this cart model state. We provided the key and the default value is set to false. So initially, the cart will not be visible to the user. Now, the next step is to create a component. So here we have created a component inside the src directory, components cart modal.js. And this one, you'll notice that we have imported cart from cart, and we have also imported cart model state from state cart model atom. And we have our react and use recoil state. So here the first thing we are doing is initializing the set model open constant, and here we are setting the close model function. Now we are checking is model open is there. If that's true, then we will simply show that your shopping cart, and we will show the cart using the cart.js that we have over here, and then we'll click on this button close model, which will set the model to false, and that way this will be hidden. And finally, we are exporting the cart model from here. Now the next step is to include this in our product list.js, but before that we'll be going to our app.js and we'll be removing the cart from here, and now we have the cart inside our product list.js. So here what we are doing is we have imported these two things: import cart model state from cart model atom and cart model from components. Then we are using this open model to initialize the state using the cart model state atom, and here we are making use of the items in cart. So we are getting the items that are there in the cart, and based on that we are calculating this total cart items. So it will share the total number of items that are there. So here if I have various quantities of a given item, like apple with a quantity of 2 and banana with a quantity of 1, then the total cart value will be 3 over here, and that's what we are doing. So you can see that we are totaling the item.quantity over here. And finally, in our product list, we are checking if there are items in the cart, then only show this view cart button. And along with the view cart, you will also notice that we are showing the total cart items. So you get to know how many items are there in the cart. And finally, we are showing the cart model over here. Now, let's go ahead and run this. So in browser, we have the product list available. If I click on add to cart, you'll notice that it comes up with this message view cart 1. Then I add banana over here. It says 2, cherry again. And now if I go ahead and add one more banana, you'll notice that the quantity has increased, and so has the counter value over here. If I click on view cart, you'll get to see all the items over here. And that's how easy it is to implement a cart model using Recoil. I can close this model by clicking on the close button, and there we go. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.